This is another video. You can see the first one I did on this guitar amplifier. It was an unbox plug and play, bit of a sound check video. This is a really neat little amp, and I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys this really cool little feature that comes with this little NuX guitar amplifier. Check out this app that you can get on your phone and you can control this amplifier with. Alright, so first you go into your app store and then you search for the NuX, press on it, and there's the app you want with the little guitar amplifier in the background. It's the little Mighty amp, so let's open that up. And of course we're going to need to plug in to power this. Plug this guitar in. Gain, level, mid, bit more high, reverb, master volume. Modulator, turn it on. So in here I've got clean. Turn straight over to clean. Turn it up a bit.